Hello guys, Science here, and today is going to be a very special video because I have something that you guys will not see it every day, and here you go. So voila! Oh my goodness, this is kinda heavy though, and well, let me check. Yeah, so this is about 3.2 kg, and and you know what? No wonder this package is heavy. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing together, shall we? Alright, so I have opened up the top part so that I could have saved some time for the review later. Yes, if you have already read the title, you guys have already know that why is it inside already. So let's go with our unboxing parts. And voila. So there is a lot of things inside, like, you know, for this, there you go. Look at this. Look at this. They come with this properly, and I have to do this. Like, how am I going to say? Like, I have to take out everything because this is going to be the best unboxing experience from me. So let me just take out these two things, and oh, the safety and warranty guide and the setup guide. Yeah, there you go. So there's these two stuff that you have to read it before you unbox it. And okay, so I think this is what the laptop is. Wow, this is why Lenovo is the first #1 brand in the world. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this sleek design. It's so smooth. I like it. And you know what? I like this. I really like this plastic lid though. That's why I pre-ordered it like a few weeks ago. Look at this. Look at inside. Oh, oops, I forgot this thing. Oh, what's this thing actually is, by the way? Oh, it's just some protection for the keyboard, I guess. Alright, so let me just put this at the side. And voila! So this is how new laptop looks like. Also, there's the power brick and the cable. There you go. The cable and the power brick. Yeah, this power brick is 135 watts, and no wonder. And I think that this whole laptop is about 2.2 kg, and probably the remaining 1 kg is this 135 watt power brick and this cable. So they actually, I think that's it. Yeah, that's everything from this box. And wow, I couldn't believe that I spent about 1,000, about the same amount of my previous laptop that I have to repair it. And you know, that was actually like you could buy a new laptop instead than like repairing the old one. It's like you can get a better specs from that. And we can take a look at this. You see, it has i7-9750H, and it has 16 gigs of RAM. It has NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, GTX 1050. Look at this, 15.6 inch display. It's 15.6 inch. And I think that's about it. And we will go into in-depth for this laptop. The Lenovo ideapad L340 gaming review starts now. Alright, so these are the things that I have mentioned just now inside this box. And right now, because of my camera from the old laptop, it really kinda like didn't see the whole thing. So right now I'm using my phone to record down everything else. So this is the cable, this is the power brick, then these two are the papers, that the guides and the safety and warranty guide, and this is the keyboard protection that was actually here. And okay, then this is the main laptop, and this is the two things that oh god, the wind. And this is the two things that helps to protect like the whole laptop, like before it comes into this one and it's inside the box. So yeah, these are the things inside the box. The ideapad L340 gaming laptop is manufactured by Lenovo and is rated 50% business users laptop and 50% gaming laptop. It weighs about 2.2 kilograms and its dimension is about 36.3 cm in length, 25.4 cm in breadth, and 2.4 cm thick. The contrast ratio is 21:9. Screen is 15.6 inches with 1920x1080 60Hz refresh rate and about a centimeter bezel at the side. The keyboard has a blue backlighting and you can switch it to brightest or just turn off the backlighting. By doing this, you can press function and spacebar. The laptop has also a 720p resolution camera with dual array microphone, which I will test it later. The laptop has a 3-cell 45 watt-hour power battery, which could last about 9 hours of usage. The ports in this laptop includes one DC power jack, one RJ45, one HDMI 2, two USB 3.1 first generation, headphone jack, one USB-C, and Kingston lock slot. The ideapad L340 gaming base processor is i5-9300F, 8GB of RAM, 1TB SSD storage, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050. And the maximum specs you can get in this laptop is i7-9750H, 16GB of RAM, 1TB SSD with 2TB HDD, and GTX 1650. My current one has the highest specs except lacking 2TB HDD and lower graphics card, which is only GTX 1050. Now is the time to test out some of the games I've installed, which are Minecraft, Watch Dogs, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Warzone, and The Crew 2.
9,
10?
Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Whoa.
5, 6,
Stop.
7, 8, 9.
10! 10!
10.
I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
There you are.
Map and choose when to deploy from the aircraft. The white circle on your TAC map shows where the gas closes.
That's our drop zone!
Timer shows how long you... I suggest pulling your chute before you hit the ground. Using your chute lets you glide away from everyone else. Targets in the AO. Search inside the buildings for weapons and ammo. Listen for the hum of nearby supply boxes. Good work. Red dots on the minimap show the location of nearby enemies. Grab some armor plates. Now hunt them down. Grab some armor plates.
Reloading!
Well done. The upper right part of your HUD shows how many enemies remain. Grab some armor plates. Gas is closing. Soldier, win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Save him a proper story. Stand by.
Roll in and walk away with it.
You race for pinks? They're gonna be walking all right.
Now this is what it's all about for some folks. Rides, the people, the party. Easy to see why going legit doesn't appeal. Gonna take some time to get more people to see it my way. Time I've got.
In conclusion, the Lenovo ideapad L340 gaming laptop is an overall and average gaming laptop for users who are in a budget of $1,200 US. It has a 4 gaming processor and a 4 gaming graphics card. In my opinion, that if you need a laptop that has a lot of ports, for example having at least 3 USB ports, I think that this laptop may not be suitable for you. And yeah, in a nutshell, that's about it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And also, this video is inspired by Gerald's Tech and Linus Tech Tips. Yes, this guy, I'm not kidding. And well, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe for more. Thank you and take care. Peace out. Goodbye.